At Bright Law, we specialize in personal injury cases. Personal injury cases are when someone gets injured as a result of somebody else's negligence. So, for example, they owe you a duty of care and they violate that duty, and as a result of that, you get hurt. So, the most obvious examples of that are car accidents, products liability cases, medical malpractice cases, or even slip and fall type cases. And so the principle simply is that somebody owes you a duty and they violate that duty that causes you injury. The duty that we're talking about is a responsibility to exercise reasonable care under the circumstances. So in a car accident case, you have a duty to go the speed limit. If you don't go the speed limit and you get in a car accident and injure somebody, that's a personal injury case. In a medical malpractice case, they have a duty to perform their medicine in accordance with the standard of care for that specialty. So if the doctor does surgery on you, has a duty to do the surgery the way another surgeon would do the same surgery. And if he violates that duty and you're injured as a result of that, that's a personal injury case. So the process is really very simple. You retain an attorney because you've been injured as a result of someone else's negligence, and then that attorney will go through the process of handling the case by trying to get it resolved either with an insurance company or the responsible party. And if that doesn't work, then you file a lawsuit in a court, and you go to court, and a jury will decide whether the person who injured you was negligent, and then what are the amount of damages that you have incurred as a result of that accident. So in these types of cases, you usually have to have doctors coming to court testifying that your injuries were a result of the accident, or you may have an expert saying that this doctor didn't perform the surgery the way he was supposed to. And so the anatomy of these personal injury cases are developed in accordance with the procedures that the court have for these types of cases. So at my law firm, we specialize in personal injury cases. You've seen a lot of television ads about lawyers that advertise a lot about personal injury cases. But when you retain an attorney, you should hire someone who is respected in the field, is knowledgeable, and handles these cases on a regular basis.